I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. Ableton is installed and the keyboard is powered. Plug the keyboard via USB or MIDI interface into the computer now. Drivers install automatically in many cases, but install them if prompted. Once done, open Ableton Live and create a new project. This primes the software to detect the device. Make sure the keyboard's MIDI channel is set to a common channel, because mismatched channels prevent note. Now configure Ableton's MIDI preferences so you can play and control instruments. Go to Preferences, then link MIDI and enable Track and Remote for the keyboard input. That allows note data and CC messages. Next, create a MIDI track, assign its input to the keyboard, and set monitor to auto or in so you hear the instrument. Arm the track for recording to pass MIDI through. You'll see the MIDI activity meter flash when keys send data. That confirms the route. Finish by loading a software instrument and testing dynamics. Play with velocity and sustain to confirm expressive control. If you want hardware control, map knobs using MIDI map mode so parameters respond. Once working, save your project or a template to avoid repeating setup. If things go wrong, first check input/output routing and that the keyboard and Ableton use the same MIDI channel. Also verify USB power and drivers. A single misrouted setting is the usual culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.